like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and nothing like them.
Hi guys, it's that time again. It's time for FabFitFun, and it says fall in love with nice things. Nice sweet things, sorry. And I did open this up because there were a couple things loose in my box. Because I ordered an add-on. And so, I shall open it up. And this I don't remember. This is Kitch. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 scrunchies on it. Now, I don't wear scrunchies. And even if I did, these feel like nylons. That's what they feel like to me. You know, like the old hose nylons. So that will go straight over in Char's little thing. Then next I got Purlisse Pineapple something gel cream. I can't read it. The doctor has ordered me new glasses, and she wants me to not just wear them part-time, wants me to wear them full-time, but it'll be a little bit before they come in. This is Bright Gel Cream, is what it is. Brightening Gel Cream. And I'll have all the links and the values down below. And this is what it looks like. And here's the box. I told her you're going to have to do something or teach me Braille. And that's the consistency. It smells good. It does smell like pineapple. Oops. It does smell good. There's that. Then I did pick these out, and these are those tea cloths, but I did pick these because at least they match my kitchen. And don't get me wrong, FabFitFun, you always get your value. And in case I forgot to tell you, you get 6 items, and if you're annual, your box will come out to like $55 a season, and it's like $60 for an annual, and I'll leave all that information down below also. And then you also you get your usual meal kit thing, and this time you're a free FabFitFun. Let's go. And it's just got a thing, you just click on it, a barcode. And then I got these are those Velcro rollers. And it's basically because in this one there wasn't a whole lot that I wanted, but these are the ones that they stick to your hair like that. So I thought, well, I don't really need curlers, but nothing else, it's something to throw in Char's box for Christmas. One of the girls. And they have different sizes. And they have a couple clips in them, so if you wanted to clip them on. She's my sister. Her hair was like, oh, well, one of those wasn't in the box. It was probably the Kitch, because I did get this ring. And this is Marilyn Schiff, and I did get the ring. I didn't see it down in there, so I would say those Kitch headbands or scrunchies were not were not part of this. Might be part of one of my mystery bundles, so we'll see. Because I did get this, and it's silver, and it is adjustable. So, but fits me fine. You know, like, I don't really care for adjustable ones that well because they kind of get in my way. They tend to get caught. Now I got these jugs, these Citrine Spice Jars. Now, this is Some people use them as decoration. Some people use them as spice jars. Some people use them as catch-alls. But they're both the same, I believe. Yeah. But something you can do is you can put like really strong smelling spice in there, and then like just open it, and it or put potpourri in it, and then just open it. And when you open it, it'll fill the house with smell. So there's that. And you know, like I said, I was kind of having trouble this time, but these right here are your value of the box. This ring is probably your value of your box. Okay, and here's this. I didn't see it either, so I don't know what the heck. This must be something else too. I'm really confused. Okay, this was I'm confused. I wish they would label this stuff. This is from your, because I got these two, and I didn't see those when I was counting either. But I did get these hoops, and I got them in silver. You could pay extra and get them in gold. Also, they had them in gold and silver, and so if you wanted both, you could get both. But I like silver better. And it's water resistant, hypoallergenic, and just flying across the room. And it has this kind of clasp where it just clasps in, which I like that because they stay in your ears better. They stay in your ears better. I like this better, but when they don't clasp on, because I am not exactly. I see the problem. Oops. And these are made by Ellie Vail. I don't know who she is, but. And now, when you get jewelry from FabFitFun, it is good jewelry. It's always good jewelry. They don't put this really cheap stuff in here. So I got that. I found myself saying, huh? I already showed you that one, so let's see what this. I don't know what this is either. Can't remember. It's Sin. Delight in your home. S-I-N, delight in your home. Which I do tend to usually get home stuff. Because even if it's not for me, I can put it up for a gift for my sister. Or my mom. Or anybody else. Oh, I remember what this is. Yeah. This is one of them where you put your oil in. And then now they had the last ones they had were really cool. And I like the form of this one better. But the last ones like this they had, you put your oil in, was I got one for my mom and I got one for my sister, and I really wanted one. But I didn't get one. So I got this one because I really regretted it not getting the last one. And then you just put your olive oil or whatever in there and just. But I really regretted not getting it, so I got that. You know, that FOMO stuff. So I got a couple of things to find places. Well, again, my house from this last sickness is just out of control again. It'll take me all day tomorrow to go through this and put it where it belongs. I try to keep everything separate, but it doesn't always work. Let's set these over here. And you can use those citrine things anywhere you want to in your house. So anyway, that was my FabFitFun for summer, and it comes 4 times a year. So anyway, like and subscribe. Old people need love too. Bye.